please say yes or something, so it will be easy for me to understand. I'm not alone here.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, okay. So let me explain you what is the WordPress. After that, we will go step by step. Okay.
Okay.
So if you have pen paper, you can make a note, or if you have sharp minded, then it's okay. So WordPress is a open source content management system. Okay. It's used for create and manage content on the website or complete website easily. If you don't have any coding knowledge, you can create a website, you can edit a website, you can publish your changes on the live other hand side. So it is very easy for use. A person don't have very much technical knowledge. Got it?
Yes, yes,
Yeah, okay. So in WordPress, you can create blogs, business websites, portfolio, even e-commerce website. It will give you ready-made design, themes, and tool plugins, etc. Okay, so you can control everything on a dashboard, which is called admin panel. It's called in WordPress dashboard. Okay. Okay. So what is the key feature in WordPress? It's easy to use. We have themes, plugins, SEO friendly websites, and we can customize our website as much as we can. Got it?
Yes, yes.
So in this complete what I can say training, you will learn something: WordPress installation, design, themes and plugin, landing page creation, and launching your website. In other hand, it's divided into 8 modules: introduction, domain hosting, dashboard, design, themes, page builder, plugin, full website, and e-commerce website. Full e-commerce website. So you got a complete idea how to create a simple website, either e-commerce website. Got it?
Yeah, got it.
Okay. So let's start. So for running WordPress, we need to prepare our system for few things, like we have to install XAMPP or WAMP, or if you have Linux, then you should install LAMP. So what's your system?
Windows 11.
Windows. So in Windows, we can use WAMP, either XAMPP. So XAMPP is better than WAMP. So we will basically download XAMPP. Okay. Here you can download and install your system. It will install PHP, MySQL, Apache server, everything, and everything in single package. So you do not install PHP separately, MySQL separately, and server Apache separately. Got it?
These all come in one file.
Yeah, one exe file.
Yes, okay.
So you can download and you can start downloading, and during the call you can installing. Okay.
Okay.
So I have XAMPP. So let me show you. So it will come here like XAMPP control panel. So once installation done, you have this type of controller.
Okay.
You can start Apache and you can start MySQL. If both are green, that means they are running properly with no issue.
Okay.
Okay. So for checking, after that, in WordPress we have two things: WordPress.com and WordPress.org.
It's an organization.
No.
ORG.
Yeah, ORG is for organization, but we have two domains: WordPress.com and WordPress.org.
Okay.
So WordPress.com, we have basically host. It's a hosting platform. Pre-install WordPress, they connect domain, and you can directly host on the WordPress.com. It's a basically hosting platform like GoDaddy, like others. And WordPress.org is for the developer. We have news, we have plugins update, we have documentation. We can download WordPress from here. So from here we can download WordPress. Okay. So you can go through the website and click here get WordPress. Then you can download WordPress 6.9.4, which is latest version. So, and recommendation of PHP 8.3 or greater and MySQL version 8.0. However, we are installing latest XAMPP, so we get all of these things. Other than it will be not compatible properly. So let's installing. So it will be downloaded as a zip file. So when you install XAMPP in C drive, so a folder comes with XAMPP folder. Now I am telling you where we will put the files on the server, because XAMPP is a server. When we run XAMPP on a system, it will become a server. Now my system is a server because I am running Apache.
Apache.
Yeah.
MySQL.
Yeah. So in server where we keep files, so here in XAMPP, go to htdocs folder. Here we create a folder like, let me create a folder, let's say training, always use small. Okay, so in this folder nothing. Now how we can run the training on the web? So it's simple. When you put localhost nothing, so XAMPP page will load by default.
Okay.
Here you can see what you have, everything. Okay, that is XAMPP and PHP info, the file where you can say which module is enabled or not. These things we will see later. Okay, now localhost, then in the place of dashboard you need to put that folder name you created. Okay, so in this, when we right now we don't have any file, so it's empty. When we put any file here, that file come here. Okay, so in download, okay, in download you will see that WordPress. Just copy the zip file and put it on your server wale folder in training. So it will be copied here. Okay, so it's pasted now. Now we need to unzip this file. Okay, so after unzip this file, we will get all the WordPress code. So now all the file extract. So just go to the folder in WordPress, just move all the file on the parent folder. Okay, and after this delete this folder. It will not required here. Got it? So when we I delete that WordPress wala parent folder and then zip file, we don't need it. When we reload this, now index file load, it will load WordPress installation. Okay, so in English, continue, and here we need to WordPress in while installing we need database. So database name, username, password and host, but I don't have created the database yet na.
Yes.
So now we need to create database. So for this we need to open database. We need to put localhost / php myadmin. So database will open. So here just click on the database and create new database. Let me put training and enter. So new database will be created. Okay, currently we don't have table. It will be installed and created automatically when we install WordPress successfully. Got it? So now we can, let's go. Here he is asking put that database name let me put that username and password which is for login the dashboard.
Okay.
So always remember this. Submit. It will be give an error, I think. Yeah. So establish a database connection while error. So are you sure your username and password correct? Blah blah blah. So for this we need to go our folder and just rename that wp config sample file to wp config and open it. Okay.
Okay.
So where it's opening. Now here we put our database here, database name direct into the file, username root by default, the PHP myadmin database name is root and password is empty. That's it. And you can save and close. Now we can try again. Same thing, database training, blah blah blah, and submit. Sorry, I need a.
We upload file.
Okay, no worries. He's asking me to start again, I think. English. Now it will read the WP config file. Now system is readed. So I'll come directly here, na?
Yes.
So site name, let's say ecom, username is super admin, and your email which is needed. Search engine visibility. If while working on the dev mode, we basically tick this. Just because Google not crawl our website because we are in development phase. When the website is ready to deploy to production or then we uncheck this. It means we request Google to crawl our website now. Got it?
Okay.
Like you have test content or test URL. So if Google crawl this, then when someone open the website or someone open the page, then test content will come there.
Okay.
We don't need that. We need everything to be perfect while we are going to live now.
Yeah.
Then install WordPress. Now we can enter on WordPress dashboard. This is the dashboard. Here we can manage our complete website. Okay, and in database you can see there is no table when we refresh it. Okay, just reload the page and you will see that training has 12 tables. It will automatically create it by default. Okay, after working we will create table and everything, that is the separate thing, but these 12 table is mandatory.
Okay.
Okay, I'll let you know the relation between those table, how content will come here and then fetch from the admin and the website. So when go here and visit site in new tab, you will see your front end. This is your front end. Okay, this is your front end. So you have downloaded the WordPress.
Yeah, not at all.
Okay, so I'm stop sharing my screen. Now you can show me how you will set up. Okay.
So,
Hmm.
you want to share my screen?
Yeah, and do the same thing. So you haven't installed XAMPP yet.
Yes. Yes.
You have downloaded XAMPP or what?
No, I have not. I'm seeing you here. See, look at it in front of me.
Sorry.
You able to see my screen?
Yeah. So just downloads what 64 bits, the first one. Yeah, that's it. Just download. Just get WordPress. Okay, it's automatically downloaded, I think. Just see what is downloading right now. Oh, okay. That XAMPP, it's now started. Just see that get WordPress.
Yeah. Now.
Get WordPress on the top right side, the blue button. Download WordPress. Yeah. Okay, now install that XAMPP on your system. You know now how to install set up WordPress.
Yeah. It's download. Maybe I will try. If anything, I'll ask you.
So just set up the XAMPP and set up the dashboard, WordPress dashboard, what I show you today. Okay, if anything happen, just send me that screenshot or something on WhatsApp. I'll reply as soon as possible. Got it?
Okay. I just got it.
Yeah. And after installation, just go through that dashboard, how it's working.
Yeah, fine.
Okay, tomorrow we will be meet same time and I'll go through that dashboard properly, every options, everything, how it's working. Okay,
Okay.
and do this setup dashboard exercise 2 or 3 times. Download, install another folder, create another folder, so that will build your confidence.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, then let's meet tomorrow same time.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.